All right, guys, I know that I say this all the time, but I'm excited to show you this unit. It is a completely different layout. I love it. It's a SOLAIRE, it's a 2025, and I'm excited. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I would love to help you guys out in the Waco office because I actually do work there. I do these videos for fun. So call, text, or email, but let's go from the outside and then in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. It's the PALOMINO SOLAIRE. The model is 306 RKTS. You've got, looks like 2 slides on this side. And then a stabilizer. I like that stabilizer. It is different. I've actually not seen one like that, so that's really neat. Looks more sturdy, but it is power stabilizers. Some storage in there, very nice. You've got your nice long awning, and actually you do have 2 awnings and another slide right over here. I'm gonna squeeze in here. Of course, you do have your backup camera prep as well. You can hang your TV out here as well, but let's take a look inside, guys. All right. I am loving this. Now a table does go right there. So for a travel trailer, this is really neat. Okay, so right when you walk in, to our left is our living room. And like in a fifth wheel, you'll have a separate living room sometimes. That's exactly what this is. You've got your theater seating, and I mean, I love that. So you got your entertainment, fireplace, sound bar. You got storage all the way around, well, on the left and then on top. I mean, just plenty of room for your living space. You've got a dinette, but it is, I mean, you can, so you got benches on that side, you can put chairs on this side, and of course your table will go right here. I believe it's in storage, so they will have it out, but very exciting. I absolutely love it. And then right down here we've got some more storage, nice big storage cabinetry. I mean, it's a lot. Love it. Beautiful kitchen. Love the countertops. Nice big sink, a lot of counter space. And then you do have a lot of cabinet, like I said, a lot of cabinetry over here on the bottom and on the top. You got a 3-burner, an oven, you got a cutting board, microwave, and this beautiful window here as well. I love that. You got a nice big fridge that opens up on both sides. And if you've watched any of my videos, I have to show you because I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things. But plenty of room. I mean, you're not squished. I love this. I love the color. I think they did so well. So we're gonna go down the hall. To our left is our bathroom. I mean, so big. Such a big shower. Love it. Got a nice sink. Plenty of space for your porcelain toilet. And then you do have a cubby right here, some storage area, and then right here we have our bedroom. And again, I'm very pleasantly, there's our table, but I'm very happy about this. I mean, look at the space. I love this. So you got windows on both sides, you got storage right above. Across you've got your little table, dresser area. Of course, you can put your TV here if you wanted to, but you could also put it right there where it's kind of the TV backer. But you've got storage, cubbies, drawers, cubbies. Absolutely love this. This is really nice. So I'm excited to show this. I really am. But what do you guys think? Do you want to see it? Do you want to come and look at it? Is there anything that you would change about it? But I have to say, you have to come in and see it for you really to, change anything, because it really is stunning. And I don't know if this video will do justice. So come on down, ask for Rachel. Love to help you out. All right, guys. Until next time.